Hi everyone, myself Akash. I am from Career Limit. Today I have Kushagra with me, who is doing his masters from BITS Pilani in mechanical engineering. Hi
Hi,
Kushagra, welcome to today's
hi,
session.
and thank you.
Okay, Kushagra, introduce about yourself and the college.
So, as Akash told, my name is Kushagar Tiwari, and I'm doing my ME from BITS Pilani campus in mechanical engineering. So,
Okay, tell me about the gate score required to get into BITS Pilani or Hyderabad campus or Goa campus
okay,
as well.
okay. So this year, the gate score which was required was a bit less as compared to the last year, since we had this online counseling for IITs and the NITs. So mostly the students who preferred IITs over NITs, they got somewhere the seat
Mhm.
in the IITs. So that just followed a chain, and then this cutoff for each campus for bits that got reduced.
Mm,
So my gate score was 688.
mm,
So I got first iteration itself. I got Pilani mechanical. And talking about few of my friends, I had one friend who had 622 gate
mm,
score.
mm,
So in the first iteration, he got Bits Goa design.
mm.
Yeah. I'll share the Excel sheet I have in which it's written about mechanical, electrical, and everything. So Akash will share that sheet in the description box as
Yeah,
well.
just okay. Okay, tell me about did you apply for COP rounds or CCMT rounds and what and all the offers you got?
Yeah, I applied for both COAP and CCMT. First three counselings, I didn't get anything.
Mm,
Fourth counseling, I got Dhanbad design. Then first I got Dhanbad thermal. Then I got in fifth iteration Dhanbad design. Uh, Few non-core branches I got. I exactly don't remember them. In CCMT, I got Raurkela and till the third iteration, I guess.
mm,
And the rest two iterations which were there, if you submit some fees, I exactly
yeah,
don't remember the fees. So in that, have I applied, means had I applied that thing, I would have got Suratkal design or thermal
okay,
with this score. Yeah.
okay. Tell me which specialization is best in BITS Pilani in terms of a placement or research or career opportunities?
Okay. In BITS Pilani, if you talk about placements, mechanical branch, if you take, you will get opportunities for both design and manufacturing. Since the company which is coming will look into the subjects the students are taking every semester.
Mm,
So mostly mechanical guys, they have about 50 to 60% of design subjects and about 30-40% manufacturing subjects. So it's like best of the both worlds. So that's why we are allowed to sit for manufacturing and design companies both.
okay. Uh,
But in design, the companies will come surely, but this privilege, kind of a privilege, is just for the mechanical students. Till now, I have not sit for placements,
mm,
but that's what our seniors has told.
okay. What about the other branches of a BIT like BITS Hyderabad and as well as Goa?
Bits Hyderabad and Goa. Yeah, it's almost the same case in both the campuses.
Okay. Um, Tell me about the average packages do companies offer for mechanical guys in BITS Pilani?
Okay, so here you have a choice to apply in any company you want if the company makes your branch eligible.
Mm,
So ME guys can apply for B companies also here. Any non-core companies, if they are there, then we are also allowed to sit for them. So
mm,
if I talk in terms of average package, that won't be a justice to this question. I will just talk about the median package which students get here. It's around 7.5 lakhs, close close to 8 lakhs, I would say.
Okay.
Minimum is 6.5, because below that bits won't call those companies,
Okay.
and higher is around 11, 12, 12 and a half.
Okay. What about the internship opportunities?
Yeah, and so we have this practice school thing in our fourth semester, wherein we have to pay a certain fees to apply for it,
Mm,
and then based on our CGPA of the first 2 semesters, we are given a company,
mm,
and then there will be some projects in the company itself. So there you have to perform, and then on the basis of your performance, you will be getting your CGPA for fourth semester. So, but the PS thing, I would like to aware everyone who is watching this video that uh, the the people who get absorbed through PS is uh, is not that high. Maybe 10% or 11% of people will get absorbed in the company. So PS is just basically an internship which you are doing for improving your this managerial skills and your te- technical skills also.
okay. What about the preparation time available for preparing other exams in parallel, such as like state government or central
Yeah,
exams?
yeah. So uh, the competition here is very much high. I mean, you won't. I mean, I didn't find any time to prepare for anything because there will be constant quizzes, assignments, projects of each subject. So in first semester we have 4 subjects. So in first semesters I had 4 projects. So and that too, that semester was a shortened one. We had 4.5 months of that semester.
Mm,
In that also we got only 3.5 months for actual working days. So you won't be getting any time for these uh, side exams which you want to prepare for. Uh, maybe after maybe after third semester, in fourth semester, if you are doing thesis or in PS, you might get time. But first 2 semesters, I didn't get time. But if you really want, you can make some time, but that will be too much of a burden.
okay. Tell me about the career opportunities available in terms of research, um, like research in abroad or in bigger like brand like IITs, IISs.
Okay, so if you are coming here for research purposes or any PhD options, I think it's better if you choose NITs or IITs. That's just because IIT professors have mostly graduated from foreign universities, like their PhD or postdoc.
Mm,
So they have many contacts over there, and PhD process, if you all know about, it's um, just about how good a professor can recommend you. So it all depends on under which professor you are doing your masters and then going for PhD. I won't say that the professors here are not that good, but if I've given a choice to choose between IITs over BITS, I would choose IITs for the higher studies.
okay.
But people have still gone from here to good universities.
Mm,
So yeah, but I will choose IITs over BITS.
okay. What about the fee structures and stay fund you get?
Okay, so fee structure is about for us it is about 1,99,000 a semester.
Mm,
That is just your tuition fees. Hostel and mess fee are very minimum, and the hostel facilities are very good. Mess is good. So in first semester, your fees will be around 2,45,000. That includes the admission fees also.
mm,
So once you get the admission, you will be paying about 70 to 75,000 for booking your seats,
mm,
and the difference amount they'll be asking in few 15 or 20 days.
Mm,
Yeah.
okay. There always be a
And
confusion.
secondly, coming to, yeah,
Hey, no, no, carry on, carry on.
yeah, okay. So coming to stipend, when I got admission here, I also had some discrepancies like, will there be two stipends or not?
Mm,
So let me tell you guys, there are two stipends. Till now, till our batch, it's there. I can't say about the next batch, but I can just talk about what I have.
mm,
So since this was an online semester, the workload which we got for TA shape, and yes, you have to do some work if you are getting a TA opportunity. You have to
mm,
do some work. You won't be just paid the money for free. So we had some labs to attend and some copies to check and that thing.
mm,
So since the this semester was an online semester, we had a reduced workload. So instead of 13,400, we got 6,700 for 4 months.
mm.
You know. So yeah,
Rough.
and secondly, the government stipend which you get
Mm,
is totally dependent on the government. Uh, since they will not send money to the college and then college will send you the money, they will straight away transfer the amount to your account
mm.
which you have registered through your college. So that depends on when government is about to release the funds. So yeah,
Roughly,
that is
how
it.
much stipend you receive?
So yeah, so I got like bit stipend. I got 40,300 for first semester. So that was more than 6,700.
Mm,
Yeah, and government stipend we got till May. We got actually not for 6 months. So till May, from the starting of my college till May, I got somewhere close to 70,000.
okay,
So in one go, they will release all the amounts for each and every month.
okay. Uh, Tell me if one wants to prepare for Pilani like BITS exam, what and all preparation you need to done and how to prepare for that and what are the resources available to prepare that exam.
Okay, so preparing for Pilan means for BITS HD exam, you will just need your grade previous year book. So mostly the paper will consist of theory plus numerical questions. So numericals won't be that tough. Of what I have received the feedback from my friends
Mm,
is told that theory should be good. There will be some numericals which are just out of your course, so you don't need to attempt them. But yeah, theory is okay. Numericals are, I would say, normal, not that tough. So yeah, and if you are preparing for gate, then bits HD will be like 80% tough of gate, or 70%, I should say.
okay. Then what is the range of marks one should score in order to get into Pilani or Hyderabad or Goa
Yeah, I
campuses?
like as I said, I'll be sharing that Excel sheet with you.
Okay,
So in that, you can just look
okay,
what are marks.
okay. As a senior, what is your suggestion for your juniors who's looking to join BITS rather than joining a new IITs or some middle NITs?
Okay. So if you do not have any financial constraints, then I would recommend you to join BETS. Since like almost half of your fees will be paid through stipends only, means you can cover half of your fees from it. So that comes around 4.5 5 lakhs of your money. So if you are ready to spend that amount of money for masters, then you can surely come here. The life is really good here.
Like, can one choose BITS over new IITs or mid NITs?
So surely, I mean, over the new NITs and the new IITs, if I was given a choice, I will surely choose BITS. BITS is on par with the top seven IITs, I would say, in terms of the quality of studies you get here, the quality of knowledge people have here. It's really good. I mean, I'm having such a good experience in a short amount of like 7 to 8 months which I have spent in bits, I have learned so much from teachers. Technically speaking, so many softwares I have worked with, which has which has done an overall development of my personality. So this is for bits. uh, IITs, if I ask, I have compared few of the things of bits with the IITs. Friends of mine are there.
Mhm.
So if we specifically talk about a subject, so let's say if I talk about finite element, so they also have a MATLAB lab for it. So you have to be very good in MATLAB to do that lab. Same goes here also. So I would say it is on par with all the or top seven IITs.
Okay.
So if financial constraint is not there, then I think you should surely choose bits. Uh, if you have some financial problem, then you can opt for IITs, but then you should have a good score also, because top seven IITs, they really demand a high score.
Okay. Okay, Kushagra. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.